iCOOK has taken the internet by storm. It changed the way we cook and our lifestyle. Nina from iCOOK will show us the creative concept and walk us through cooking interactively. Before we start, let's watch a short clip about iCOOK.
Do you love the way you cook? Come see mine. Cook at the speed of life. Cook smart with iCOOK.
Now, on to you, Nina.
I have chosen English breakfast for today. I have the Palace of Westminster on the smart backsplash and the recipe on the smart cooktop. Let's get cooking!